In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Notion page with password. 5 minutes. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and sign in. Give yourself a second to land on your workspace, then head to the page you want to protect. If you're not sure where it is, use the sidebar or the quick search to find it. Open the page so you can see the full toolbar across the top. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three dots, sometimes called More Options. This opens the page menu with a bunch of handy controls. In that menu, choose Lock Page. The moment you do this, Notion locks the page, which means its content can't be edited until it's unlocked again. This is great for preventing accidental changes or maintaining a finalized document. Keep in mind, locking doesn't hide the page or add a passcode to view it. It simply prevents edits. Anyone who already has access can still read the page, but they won't be able to modify it unless it's unlocked. You'll know it worked if you see a small lock indicator or if you try to type and Notion tells you the page is locked. If you ever need to make changes, just return to the same menu and toggle the lock off. It's a quick way to control when a page is in draft mode and when it's frozen. Now, if you want to add another layer of protection to your overall Notion account, head to Settings. You can find this from the left sidebar or by clicking your workspace menu. In Settings, go to the Account section. Here, set a strong password if you haven't already. This secures your login to Notion itself, which protects every page and database in your workspace. Use a unique password with a mix of characters and avoid reusing one from another site. And if you already sign in through a third-party provider, you can still add a password as a backup credential. This step doesn't password lock a single page. Instead, it keeps your entire account secure, which is important for everything you store in Notion. To recap, open your page, use the three dots menu, and lock it to prevent edits. Then, in Settings, strengthen your account by setting a solid password. With these two actions, you'll reduce accidental edits and improve the overall security of your Notion setup. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along in your own workspace as you go.